In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the reason why you are not making money online. Keep watching. Making money online over the years has been one of the easiest things you can do. Many people are making money online. Many people are living their best life just by making money online and doing whatever they want to do. But in the same faith, there are other people who are not making money online and they've tried everything that they could, but they can still not make money online, and probably you might be one of them. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about the reason why you are not making money online. So number one, you are not patient enough. Yes, you are not really patient enough. Today you are a YouTuber, tomorrow you are a blogger, next tomorrow you are on Facebook as an influencer, the following day you are a forex trader. All these things can hinder your progress from making money online because you are not focusing on one thing. You are finding an easy way out. Today you are a blogger, tomorrow you are a YouTuber. You are just finding an easy way out in order to make money online. You are not trying to focus on one thing. And one of the easiest way you can fail making money online is focusing on many things. You need to be successful in one in order to be able to focus on the others. So once you start jumping from one place to the another to make money online, you cannot make any money online. So number two, you are greedy. Yes, I'm talking to you watching me. You are very greedy. Yes, you might be asking, how am I greedy? Well, you are greedy because you are one of those who wants to use 25 cents, 25 kobo, in order to make $25 million, which is very impossible. And that's why people keep on introducing you to scams and Ponzi scheme. At the end of the day, you keep falling for all of them because you think that there is a possible way you can put 25 cents in a business and start making $25 million in a day. So any business that will give you money online, just like every other business offline, you need to invest money in it. If you are not ready to invest, all you will be seeing every now and then is Ponzi scheme, and people will keep introducing you to Ponzi scheme and businesses where you will put your 25 cents and they will eat it. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that any online business you set to do, you are really comfortable doing, make sure to invest your money in it. Invest a good money in order to get a good return on investment from it. If you fail to invest, like I said before, you will get only Ponzi schemes and you won't progress. Even if you start any business online, you won't progress. It will just die like that and you will get tired. So that is all for number two. Number three, you are not asking the right questions. Yes, you are not asking the right questions. Instead of asking, how can I make money online, you should be asking questions like, what are the right businesses that can fetch me a good amount of money online? Yes, these two questions are not the same. I know you might be wondering what is the difference between these two questions. The difference is clear. When you ask about how can I make money online, there are 1 million ways you can actually make money online, but there are few ways you can actually make a huge sum of money online and live a life that you want. For example, you can never see anybody who is into referral schemes or even Ponzi businesses online that can boast of making any serious money online. All of them makes little stipends. None of them make even up to $1,000 in a month or even in a year. But you can see so many people who is into content creation and YouTubing, even blogging, that can boast of millions of dollars online. And to be realistic, one of them, his name is Mr. Beast. He makes almost $50 million in a year, and this is a huge sum of money. You know what $50 million is? So that is how it is. Once you start going for the right online businesses, trust me, you will definitely make money online. So that's it for number three. Number four, you are not consistent. This is one of the major problem with most people who wants to make money online. They are not consistent. Today they show up, tomorrow nobody will see them. After 1 year they show up again and you think you make money. No, it's not possible. Online business, like I've said before, is just like every other business. You need to give it your time. Your time you are going to give it is your consistency. So you need to be consistent. once you stop being consistent, there are many people who have the idea you have, and once you stop showing up, they take over you, and once they take over you, you can't make money. You will just be there and stagnant. So once you start being consistent with your business, even when you are progressing and when you are not progressing, you will definitely make money online. Number 5, you gave up too early. You gave up too early. This is the one of the funniest part about those who couldn't make money online. Yes, during my own time, I waited like up to 3-4 years before I started earning money online. My first earning was up to $100, and I was happy, but I kept pushing. So most people that I started with has already quit. They have already called it a quit, that they are not doing anything YouTubing, blogging, or anything concerning online business. Most of them now are engaging in Ponzi scheme, but couldn't make what I make online today. So for you to really make money online, you need to quechiri and you need to stand firm. You need to learn. Whenever you fail, you need to learn and know what made you to fail in that particular business and know how to strategize. So this is the only way you can earn money online. A good amount of money online. So thanks for watching to this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Please make sure you share, subscribe, please subscribe to this video, so that once we release another educating video and informative video like this one, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.